I'm going to teach you how to make some money on ClickBank. Beavis Cat up with everybody, it's your boy Jason, Supply and Rapper! Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to get started on ClickBank. If you've never heard of it before, well, now you're going to know, and I'm also going to show you how to find a product and how to market it. Alright, so let's just jump right in. This is the ClickBank website, and you can ignore everything that you see here. The first thing you're going to do is basically just go to log in. Now, of course, if you are a brand new user, you're gonna click this link anyway because it'll tell you where you can go to register for a new account. So let's click on the login link. And as you can see here, there's the link that says create an account here. You click that and it's 100% free to join. So you just fill out this information. It'll send a verification email to your email address. You click that to verify your account and then you should be good to go. Once you create your brand new account, you're going to be brought to a dashboard just like this. This is your affiliate dashboard where you're going to find the data for all your stats, products that you are promoting, how much sales you have accumulated, and of course the commissions that you've earned from them. Obviously, this is a new account, so yeah, nothing here. So that's all right. We'll just go into this right here. It says the affiliate marketplace. We'll click on that. And this is where you find the products that you're going to start promoting. As a new affiliate, there's two ways you could go about this. You could go with either the top offers or new offers. As a new affiliate, I would recommend the top offers to try to get more towards that quick win as soon as possible. But going to the new offers is good to find hidden potential in products that do not have a lot of competition in it. So that could help as well, but I would say for the sake of speed, for the sake of gaining some experience, going with the top offers is probably the best way to go. So from here, there's several niches that you can choose from. From my research, I found that health and fitness is definitely one of the most, if not the most profitable niche. And of course, I'm saying niche versus niche.
I have a niche. Niece. Niece?
Whatever. But then also e-business and e-marketing is another good one, as well as self-help. So as you can see, there are products listed below here, and there's a few metrics that I want you to keep in mind. One is, of course, the conversion, the average dollar conversion amount. This is how much you're gonna get paid from the commissions. $144 is a really nice looking number. However, starting out, it probably would be better for you to choose something lower than that because you'll have less resistance from people that you are marketing your product to. And again, for that quick win, you want to find something that has the least amount of resistance. People would be more willing to spend, 12 bucks on something versus 20 bucks on something else. Because they're bargain hunting, they're looking for something that's cheap, but also give them the most value for their buck. So while $144 looks amazing, and I know you just want it so bad, let's start from the ground up. Let's start with the easy wins, because if you could get something to go for you, even if it's like $20 for a commission, if you could get that going for you one time, you can get going for you again and again and again, and you can wind up having easily $100 days by selling one affiliate product. So you got the average dollar conversion amount. That's one thing to look at. But then the other thing, which is probably the most important metric, is the gravity score. Now, the gravity score is a metric that tells you how well other affiliates are doing in promoting a particular product. If it's too high, then that's because it is highly competitive and probably getting to the point where it's going to be saturated. So I wouldn't choose something that is too high of a gravity score. However, if it's too low of a gravity score, there's not a lot of competition, which is great, but it also shows that affiliates are not seeing much results with it. So I wouldn't go for something too low either. Just as an easy tip for you, I would say a number within the 350 range is probably that sweet spot right there. So if it's above 350, a little bit, then that's cool. If it's below it, then that's cool. 350 seems to be the sweet spot. And also there's two other things I want to mention before we move on to marketing the product. And that is that some of these products will allow you to create your affiliate link and start marketing right away, whereas others require you to go through the approval process first. Now, there's no right or wrong way to do this. If you want to get started as soon as possible, maybe getting a link from a product that doesn't require an approval is probably a good idea. However, getting approved by the product owner first puts you on their radar, and that's actually not a bad thing either, because you can get support from them and they acknowledge that you are actively promoting their product. So that might come with its own benefits and perks too. But just to show you what I mean and how it looks, we'll just click on this product here, and what you can see here is we're gonna create our affiliate link, or as they call it, a hop link. All right, so as you see, I put my affiliate nickname here, and you'll get that affiliate nickname when you create your own ClickBank account. And then once you do that, you see that your hop link or affiliate link, whatever, shows up here as well. Now, it doesn't look very nice. It's kind of an ugly looking URL, isn't it? That's because that's the identifier that ClickBank has for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty this up, because if we present it like this to our traffic, to the people that we're gonna market this to, even I would think that this is a little fishy. You know, you got to be careful out there on the internet. You don't want to click links from people that are trying to scam you or get your identity and stuff like that. Now, that's obviously not what we're doing, but you know, a link like this does seem suspicious. So we're going to take this link and we're going to, you know, pretty it up in a little bit. So just what I would do is I would copy this link, set it aside, you know, put it in my notes app or something like that, or email it to myself so I can have that for later. And before we move on, I just want to let you know that if you're going to choose a product, choose something that resonates with you, because if you choose something that doesn't, it's going to be way more difficult for you to market it to people. You can't just find something that you think is cool and then just, you know, send it forward and you know, people are not going to go for that. You have to have some actual desire in the product itself. You have to have some kind of investment, emotional investment into the product. Otherwise, it's going to be way more difficult for you to promote this. So take some time to find that product. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to find a way to pretty up that link. And to do that, we're going to use a website called bit.ly.com, basically. I will let you know that Facebook is not a fan of Bitly, so I wouldn't use this to market affiliate products on Facebook, but you can create an account here for free. And when you create an account, you'll see something like this, and then you just click on Create New, and then click on Link, and we're going to take that hop link again. Let's go ahead and click Promote, and once again put our link. And if you already got this link, then good for you. Basically, you just come back here to Bitly, we'll just paste it in our destination and give it a title. This is for us to know. So Java burn, look, it actually showed up right away without me having to do anything. So that's cool. And what we could do is we could create something that looks better. So instead of all of these numbers and then hop.clickbank.net, we could have bit.ly and then whatever we want here. So we could put in Java burn. Right? Now, if this is already taken by someone else, it's gonna let us know. So I'm just gonna click tab. And yeah, that exact link already exists and cannot be duplicated. So we could change this to something else. We could change this to Jason, Java burn, something like that. And there you go. So I could create this link, and then once I click on create, I have the option to copy this and save it for later. But if I were to use it, you see bit.ly/Jason Java burn goes right into the affiliate website. So if you're starting with investing your time to start promoting this, what you're going to do is you're going to create social media accounts, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, which is now X, so on and so forth. And I definitely would recommend creating a YouTube account. You would take all of those and you would start promoting them as yourself. You would start promoting why you like this product, why you think it's a good product for your audience, and just keep pushing it out, keep highlighting features and create more and more content. And that stuff's gonna get around because these products are already being distributed by other affiliates. So there's already people looking for this product. As long as they're looking for this product, they're gonna stumble across your video. So that's why it's important to make sure that you understand how to find a product with the right gravity score on ClickBank, because you want to find something that's already out there, something that's already, you know, getting people's attention, but then you want to make sure that you're in the forefront of that. So to make sure that you're in the forefront of it and to, you know, get ahead of other people promoting that product, it's all about creating content. And the more content you create, the better. Now, I want to give you some more strategies on how to promote your products, you know, the free way, and also another video where I show you how to promote products the paid way, which can accelerate the process. But first, I gotta know if it's worth my time. I gotta know if you got any value from this video. So if you did and you'd like to see a follow-up on how to promote and how to market these products, give a thumbs up to this video so that tells me that you like this. And also click that subscribe button and bell notifications so you can be updated on future videos. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. It's your boy Jason, Sublime Rapper. Much love, God bless, and as always, you know, Peace.